Hey guys, so I'm gonna try to see what's wrong with my ps4 because my HDMI broke, guys. So let's see. I'm holding the two buttons right now. Holding it. And there's that. And for some reason, I don't know why. Like, for the past 2 days, I didn't have this issue. It turned on automatically and stuff, you know? So guys, I'm trying this again. Let's see if it does it at the same time. I'm holding the button right now. I don't know if you guys can see. Pressing the speak. Did nothing that time. I think that's a good sign. Usually does that sometimes the first time. Now let me unplug my thing. Plug back in. Make sure everything's on completely. Let's try this again. Beeped. Nothing happened. Okay. That's weird, but let's try something else this time. I'm gonna try to move my HDMI and stuff a little bit. Because I think that should be good enough. Like, I don't know what's wrong with my piece. Well, I know what's wrong with it. It's the HDMI cord inside of it that cost $100 to get fixed, and I have $100, but I don't think I can repair it and stuff. Yeah, let's try this again. Holding the button. Okay. Let's see. Nothing happens, guys. Nothing happens. I'll show you the camera. So this is my setup right here, okay? The thing's all connected in. Currently it's dark right now, that's why I have my flashlight on. It's my thing. It's plugged in good. I didn't play on this console for like 3 months, or actually 4 months. And it's my thing all the way over here. It's like really long, so I have to do that. And it looks like it's not put on well. Like I have to do this and stuff, you know. Now let's try this again. I got plug this part out, plug it back in. I watched some YouTubers do this. Okay, holding it. And that happens. Okay, that's the second time. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me get my charger and stuff, and I'll show you guys. Here's my ps4 controller, charger. Let me plug that in, and watch the controller. Once I do this, it turns blue, so that means it's connected to the rest mode thing, you know, and stuff. And I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's try. I moved the controller. It's just straight up doing this now. Let me try. You know. Let me try this one more time. Unplug this part. I'm gonna move this part out. Ow. I have my fingers. Oops. It's kind of hard because I'm not left-handed. Let me get this part, plug it right in. Let me blow in a little bit. plug it in. Plugged in good. You can see there. Okay, I grab this part, try to untangle it. Because I literally made a video. I was supposed to make a video earlier on Zomer's one, and then it stopped. It turned black and stuff. Let me plug that right in. There's the thing right here. It's kind of hard because I'm looking at the camera at the same time to make sure you guys are getting all this. And then let me try to move my ps4 forward a little bit. And we're holding it. Same thing happens, guys. Same thing happens. See, you guys know what's wrong with ps4, guys. Let me know ASAP. DM me on Instagram and stuff. I put my Instagram right here, right now, and let me know what happens, cause I wanna play Fortnite so bad. Like, I literally wanna play it so bad. And that's the video, guys. Peace out, guys.